volcanoes update. So cool, yay! I'm not gonna be able to edit this because I don't know how to edit soon. I don't know how to edit at all. But we're gonna see if the cosmetics for last. Let's see what's new. I see a little volcano up there. Okay, let's gotta go check this. Wait, what's that? Oh, it's frozen lava, guys.
Fire underwater! It's like SpongeBob! God, it's weird! It's a fire underwater! Black is sticking there the most.
There's a fire underwater. What the? No! By the way, the lava turned into a lava monkey. You go in it.
I haven't played in so long. What am I doing right now? Wait, what? I want to see my first one.
No, not right now.
Oh, I'm there. What the fuck did I do that for? Anyway. Where's Mr. Monster? Come here, Monster! It's over! It's over, you monster!
Mr. Beast!
Oh! I'm not a beast! I thought I was gonna be the hero here. That was the
Just me, or do I feel like I'm jumping high?
That was the old Jimmy Donaldson!
Let's use it.
You're it, bro. You're it. It's an apocalypse. You're it.
So scary.
It's the Jimmy Apocalypse.
Mr. Beast! Today, I'm selling BFG's family.
It's happening.
Them with a bunch of African warlords.
Hopefully nobody starts a volcano again. I'm not sure, but we're looking for safety.
Kill me.
Away from this guy.
I don't want to die.
Ankle.
Hold on, what's on your face? Mister!
Today, I'm breaking this man's ankle and surprising me with a new one. I mean,
Today, I'm gonna kill 10 Mr. Beast.
just kidding, I'm Mr. Beast.
You're Mr. What? Mr. Beast?
Today,
Oh crap! Nope, nope.
I heard that.
I can run.
I'm scared for my life right now.
Now you feel terrible.
We gotta make the floor lava.
Bro, this is sick.
Good. Make it rain lava.
Whoever wins gets the money.
Put the rock in
Oh, I did it. I get the money.
Good. Make it rain.
Mr. Beast!
He's evil. Don't look at him.
Take a number.
I'll beat him with my baseball bat. $2. Get out here, Jimmy.
Rocks.
You should, Jimmy.
For $999,999.
This is how you make it, by the way. Just throw rocks. Put your rocks in. Keep on throwing the rocks in it.
Placing your heart with this.
Oh, shit.
Okay, get it.
This
It can't be happening here.
Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. No, Mr. Monster. It's not Mr. Beast. It's Mr. Monster. I'm gonna kill him.
Still.
Run.
There's no need to thank me. There is only standing still so I can perform. You with this beetle in your
Run. That's what we have to do.
No, I'm not my control.
Yeah, you regret it.
Hey, get the
Now, don't you? You want money? You want money? You can't have any.
$2.
Swear.
You only get the heart.
Listen. Grandpa pottery shit.
You won't be doing that.
Imagine. What are the, no.
Yes, we have
Mr. Monster, you suck.
in the studio.
Mr. Monster sucks.
No.
This man sold you last. Hey, Mr. Monster, you want to give him a soul? Stop here, Mr. Monster. No. Get ready to go. Mr. Trees. Mr.
I'm
Trees.
running away from a bunch of monkeys. That's not
Today we're gonna drop Mr. Beast and give him a cheese. We're gonna run away for our
If I die, it's all gonna be because of this lava.
chasing these monkeys with a bunch of
No,
African
please,
warlords.
please, sir, please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt your families.
Monkeys getting a new beetle heart.
I didn't mean to hurt your family, please. I don't want to say
Here's your
it.
glasses.
Are so nice. Mr. Monster, it's over.
This beetle.
Whee!
It's over.
That's,
Where'd you have purple now?
dude, that's how I wanted to go out, dude. If I'm gonna go out, I wanna go up on lava.
No.
A painful
That's
death.
Mr. Monster, bro. I'm warning you. Stay away from him. Mr. Beast.
Dude, how does he... Dude.
Where's your Mexican?
What? Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Mr. Beast, can I pay you $5?
I had your Mexican.
Mr. Monster! Kill him!
Mr. Beast.
No, don't kill him! He deserves to die! Kill him!
Rogan. Mr.
Air-Rap was better anyway! Air-Rap was better anyway.
No! What happened?
Mr. Beast is dead! He died! Air-Rap was better! I know, that wasn't Mr. Beast. That was Mr. Monster.
Hey, wait a minute.
We have to check if he's still here.
Chick-fil-A is better.
Hi, I'm leaving. Dude, I gotta check out this school room. Cosmetics. 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 What is it?
Did you teach
Oh my
us
God.
group how to do
What
this?
is this?
What's the UK time you need to wait to get them? I think the person
hammer.
said it was bannable, so don't do it. Yo,
Oh, free.
he's the mind trick.
That did that.
I just love to say it.
Dude,
I'm gonna go get.
just gonna put
I'm gonna go get my
That is-
my.
I gotta come back. All these. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but we already got the
I
badge.
can show you guys how it's real. Hey,
Oh, crap. This is my...
you.
Me? What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna see something? What?
So can I like
Hey,
go?
I'm the security guard. This is a flashlight.
I'm not LGBTQ.
Freaking Gaylord.
I'm not LGBTQ. LGBTQ plus.
Wait.
I think
LGBTQ plus.
it's an
Ooh, nice animation.
I'm not modding.
Oh, you're a hacker. Hacker.
I'm so hot.
I'm playing this
I can
update.
teach you. I can teach you.
For first time.
Joke now.
Yeah. I'm at setting. Yeah.
And then go to.
Wait, it actually sounds like lava in
My
here.
hand! It's
No.
so bloody!
So
Look!
if I
I'm at
just
And look how it's coming! It's
love
coming blood out of
pepper.
my hand! Look!
Ow! I don't know.
Look! Help! Hold on. Put time and then... Ow! You hit my hand off!
Get out of here! I'm abusing you.
You murderer! You murdered my hand! Look at this! You murdered
I don't think
this.
Pigeon
You murdered my
I don't think
hand.
Pigeon cares. He's just breathing fire on you.
1:38 p.m. That's a phoenix, not a pigeon. I think.
So guys, this is what's gonna have to happen to you guys if you don't subscribe. So we'll just say
Yep.
PM?
this
Yep. Yep.
this mug right here is you guys. If you guys don't
That one.
subscribe and like.
Now look behind you.
What? What?
See
What the
it?
fuck?
Do you see anything?
What's this?
Oh, wait, what? It's
Luffy!
the VR thing.
What happened? We're in the fight against Kato,
That?
Avocado, One
You
Piece.
can't get out yet. You can't get it.
I'm in the fight of Kato to do burn his hat.
Not until 1:38 p.m.
Not until 1:30 p.m.
Oh boy.
Like specifically 1:30 p.m.
Wait,
Wait.
Eastern time? Eastern
Like
time?
specifically that time? Are you serious?
Super.
So I
And
can't get
at
it
least
back.
At least we know what it looks like.
At least I have this beautiful tree down.
Is she crying?
Yeah, check out the other
Are you
cosmetics.
Nah, blood.
Does
I
she
am just
really
you.
comes on?
Hey, Daisy 09. That's a real ghost. Oh my god, I'm a ghost. Yes, you are. Yo, I am a real ghost. This shit is
No,
cool.
never give back my piggy bear. I know, my guy. This is sick.
This is gnarly.
You guys see it, right? Is that really you?
I'm a god.
Oh, it's a full set. I've never had gloves.
I don't have a slingshot because I'm broke.
See if you can get this slingshot.
Yes, I'm a mad scientist. Mad scientist.
Wait, I can't get that. I'm broke. I only have 170 watt.
Well, why, my...
You wanna know something though?
Yeah? What?
Ooh, it's made out of molten lava.
Something for you.
Nah, blood. I got what I want.
Like, I don't want that.
I got what my cosmetics
It
want.
is actually made out of molten lava. See, I'm still moving.
24.
Okay,
Try about it.
that's cool. It's so hot, chili peppers.
No one wants to gift me the battle pass? Oh man.
I can give you the battle pass.
You do throw out peppers.
So we
Throw out the lava.
Yeah.
You're joking. You're joker.
Come here.
Oh my god, no, I am gonna get the battle pass for free.
That's most of the update.
Hit that, and then hit,
Oh shit.
and then hit confirm.
I don't think I
I
want
have a lot of outfits in the past.
PayPal?
This is probably gonna be my one best one.
PayPal.
Did you actually
No, it's not my best one. Actually, best
watch
one.
my face?
SMH.
This?
Are you
I gotta make their name known. Nobody's got.
It's a pretty cool sleeve set,
No.
I gotta say. He's
We're not gonna buy it. Get some.
He's dumb
Shiny
as
Rock Leo
fuck,
Pam's
guys.
credit card.
Hey,
you have to look.
Hey, Purple. Look at my face.
Give me some bone. You look cool though.
that probably would have gone wrong. So I'm just gonna change my color a little bit. Yay! The original avatar. Now I want to go in basement. I haven't been in basement for. I even forgot basement was a thing. It's good. But before we do this whole basement thing,
I don't have mine.
I want to do the obstacle course. I want to see you guys that are actually decent at the game. So you can tell it's red. Don't know if you guys can see, but I gotta prove to you guys that it is red for a reason. Oh no, no!
I gotta go. Oh, it's right here.
By the way, without lava monkey, by the way. Yeah, you can kind of sound these. I don't really fix your hands really. So basically, I can just see. Boop.
No,
I already have it.
you're gonna be here and here. Here.
Ooh. Now let's go check out basement. As you guys can tell, I can do the obstacle course for sure. You know, the rest of this video is basically about nothing. So, now I'll show you guys. So, I woke up this early in the morning. It's actually not that routine, but I woke up that early. Then I just searched 9:15. It says 8:15, but it's 9:15 at this time. I woke up this early to do this video. So, I'm gonna see you guys. So,
Ready for VR!